What's the meaning of bashfully? Bashfully. Bashfully.
Bashfully. Bashfully. Bashfully is an adverb that describes a person who is feeling embarrassed, shy, or awkward in a particular situation. It typically implies a lack of confidence or self-assurance when interacting with other people or handling certain social situations. The person may exhibit behaviors like blushing, avoiding direct eye contact, speaking softly or hesitantly, or fidgeting nervously. The term is often used to describe romantic or flirtatious interactions, where one person may be hesitant or unsure of how to express their feelings. Overall, bashfully suggests a mild form of social anxiety and a reluctance to draw attention to oneself, usually stemming from a fear of being judged or rejected.